This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is
Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Welcome back. This is Not Your Advisor with NYU Grad on Tuesday, September 16th. Podcast episode 528. Let's jump right into today's market, which is pretty much a prep day before the Fed rate cut day on Wednesday. Just a quick reminder, the Fed rate decision is at 2 p.m. Wednesday, and you have the Jerome Powell speech at 2:30 Eastern Time. I do want to pose the question I got to ask. What if the Fed does not cut tomorrow? Saying they are already restrictive enough and that the economy and consumer are strong. That would be complete out of left field, and you could almost hear Jerome Powell and Lisa Cook giggling, poking fun at Trump and everyone that is expecting a rate cut. That should be an interesting day tomorrow. Everyone expects them to cut. I even expect them to cut at this point. But I do also want to share some data points. There's one new chart I didn't share till yesterday because it wasn't mine. It was Tim Knight at Slope of Hope. You'll see it in the show notes right below the schedule for tomorrow's FOMC decision. But you can clearly see that second chart after that schedule. It's a layered chart of the S&P 500 as well as yields. You can see there is a parallel with stocks going down and yields going down. But if you include some of the previous historical numbers, which I've been sharing with you for over 2 years, you can see clearly that a Fed rate cut, for the most part, statistically, has been bearish for stock prices. Take a look at that data. And this is more just because the news cycle is just insane. As you know, I'm in Financial District, and a few blocks from me at the courthouse is the Mangione court case. It's just crazy to me that he has fans. Mostly women fans. I guess sex sells. But yeah, dawn is coming. We just have to last this long night. Let's try to be kind to each other. We're at the part of the cycle where assassinations are okay. What else? Let's just go into the numbers because it was a slow day. I think SPY traded like 55 million shares on the session versus a daily average of 70 million. We had 185 new highs versus 85 new lows. 45% advanced versus 52% declined, 42% below the 50, 44% below the 200. We closed pretty much near the lows across the board on the indices. Overnight ramp, intraday sell. That's been a chart that I've posted probably hundreds of times this year.
If you're intrigued by what you've heard today, if you're ready to challenge your own assumptions and explore a new approach to investing, then I encourage you to check out Not Your Advisor.
Explore their website.
Listen to a few podcast episodes.
See if their philosophy resonates with you.
You might just discover a whole new way of thinking about investing.
One that empowers you to achieve your financial goals.
And that's what it's all about.
Absolutely.
So until next time,
Yeah.
keep learning, keep questioning, and keep diving deeper.